Hello and welcome to this episode of Ask Raghav. I hope all of you are doing awesome, and today I am going to take up a question asked by Vishnu, and he says, Hi Raghav, even if we learn a new tool, how can we add that in our resume as we don't have actual project experience in that tool or platform? Should we fake in that case? Any other way we can add that skill set in our resume? Vishnu, thank you so much for this question, and I believe the answer will benefit a lot of people. Now, as a very general thing and as a universal thought, I will tell you that never fake your resume. It may look like that you will get benefited in the shorter duration, but in the longer run it will not help you. So never fake your resume, put only whatever you actually know. Now coming to your specific question, that if you have learned some tool, some skill, some platform on your own, but you have not used it or worked on it in a company or a job, should you add that in your resume or not? The answer is, if you have learned a tool and you have practical knowledge and experience by doing your own practical projects, or you have followed some practical tutorial and you really believe that you have followed it properly and you have knowledge on that tool, it is okay to put that in your resume. In your resume you can create a section for tools and skills knowledge, and in that you can put that tool. And during the interview, if you are asked about that tool, you can tell based on whatever knowledge you have, and you can also mention, whether asked or if you want to mention it by yourself, you can say that I have not worked in a company or in a job or in a project using this tool, platform or skill, but I have learned this for my own knowledge and I have done practical implementations using this skill or knowledge. Believe me, all the genuine interviewers will take this as a positive thing. It will show that you are keen to learn. Apart from your job and your regular duties, you are learning new things and upskilling yourself. This will always be taken as positive. So it is okay to put that in your resume. Another tip I will give you is, if you are creating a project using that tool or skill, if you can put that on the online, on the cloud or some repository like GitHub, and provide the link of GitHub in your resume, it will give added advantage and weightage to your resume. It will show that you have actually used that tool and created something, done some practical implementation, and the project is available on your GitHub. So this will always be taken as positive and will give you added advantage. So this is how you mention the tool, technology or skill in your resume. I hope this was useful. If you have any other question you want me to take up in the next episode of Ask Raghav, please tell me your question in the comment section below, and I will see you soon in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching, and never stop learning.